Ready to turn your kitchen into a cozy haven? By cooking something that's hearty and of course delicious. Well, here at A Side Guy Cooks, I'm cooking a soul-warming dish for you. Chicken Broccoli Corn Chowder, ready in just a few minutes, so let's get started. Let's prepare the aromatics. Now let's build the dish. Let's add the cheese. Chowder has a rich and layered history. Chowder began as a shipboard dish, popular amongst sailors and fishermen. Chowder was made with preserved pork and fish. In North America, the earliest known chowder recipe appeared in 1751 in Boston, Massachusetts. Today, chowder is a popular comfort dish found in diners and upscale restaurants alike. Let's serve up a portion of this amazing chicken broccoli corn chowder. Top with shredded Gouda cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, and finally chopped parsley. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Add a few crackers if you'd like. Wild tender chicken, vibrant broccoli and sweet corn swimming in a velvety broth, this isn't just a lunch or dinner. It's a hug in a bowl. I'm gonna have a little bit more. A perfect balance of flavors and textures. This chowder is irresistible. You, your guests, friends, and family will absolutely enjoy it. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one cozy afternoon lunch. Stay with us, watch the next videos.